Hi, it's Miss Whelan. So today I'm going to be going over some set 1 phonics sounds. We've gone over these sounds before, but I just want to get them solidated. So our sound today is remember, it's like a whisper. Good, well done. Pirate. Pirate. One more time. Pirate. Good, well done. Right, now what I want to do now is I want to play the game where I hide it and I put it up really fast, see if you can do it. So when I show this side, I want you to go, and then when I show this side, I want you to go pirate. Ready? Doing really well. One more. Good job, well done. I think I might have caught you out maybe once. Right, the next game I want to play is we're going to play the sparkles game. So I'm going to hide in with some sounds that you already know. And when you see it, you need to do your sparkles, okay? Ready? Well done, good job. Right, I'm going to hide it again. Well done, really good job. Right, now I need to think of some words that have the sound P in it. O. O. Hop. Can you do it? O. Hop. Good job. Let's think of one more. Oh, I know. I. G. I. G. Pig. I. G. Pig. Well done. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.